Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on this massive plaza being built on Lady Musgrave Road. And it is moving at lightning speed. At the rate they're going, they should finish by sometime next year. Now it's a 3-story plaza. The ground floor is actually for parking. And the company that's doing this is Ripton Construction, and they are also doing the Rogers in New Kingston and another development on, I think it's Central Avenue off Constant Spring Road, another residential development there. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. Because it is really moving fast. The properties at 56 and 58 Lady Musgrave Road in Kingston, Jamaica have been notable assets with the real estate market. Cygnus Real Estate Finance Limited acquired these properties in late 2022, with 58 Lady Musgrave Road purchased for approximately $284 million. In 2024, Cygnus Real Estate Finance sold both properties to Ripton International Capital Holdings Limited for US $4.5 million or 698 million Jamaica. This transaction was part of SRF's, that's Cygnus Real Estate Finance's, strategy to monetize its assets and reinvest in new projects. The properties totaling 1.2 acres are situated in a prime area of Kingston, making them attractive for various commercial and residential developments. The sale reflects SRF's focus on strategic asset management and capital recycling to fund future investments. Alright, so that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. This is a very good location for a plaza, as Lady Musgrave Road is a very busy road. It's so busy that they actually have plans to upgrade it. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below and we'll keep you guys updated. Have a good day.
Thank you.